And we have two stunning people here with us. Sir, how are you today?
Yeah, I'm really good. Dubai is, though it is hot, and though it is hot, Saima arrangements is making feel as it's like chill.
Everybody is feeling very cool, right? So we're live on Facebook. We have all your fans watching. So is there something that you would like to tell them right now? Probably thank them. Anything?
Hi all, I'm Pawan Vadiyar speaking, along with my wife, and this is Saima first time for her, and she's been nominated for negative best negative. Though she's negative, but in my life she's a heroine. So I'm here to support her today. This is third Saima for me, and I just want you guys to support my wife. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. In fact, in that category, you're like the iron lady who is there, right? Like you have so many men competing with you. Ma'am, I must tell you, kudos to you and like super good girl power. What do you feel about this nomination? How proud is it for you?
I really feel so proud, like nominating with Prakash Raj sir and Ravi Shankar sir and all. It's like a blessings for me, you know. Out of them, like I'm nominated, I'm happy that I feel like I already won. You know, nominating with them, I feel like I already won. So let me see. I hope.
Is there something that you would like to tell your fans? Because you know that Saima is all about them, right? They have to vote for you, and that's how the winners get selected. So, what would you like to tell them?
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಾ ಪುರೋಹಿತ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ನನಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಮಾ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ನೀವು ನಂಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
So, you know what? We have like the Saima award right there for you. But you can see, right? Your wife is giving the award serious competition. She's just so gorgeous. So, on Facebook, in front of the whole wide world, what would you like to tell her about how she looks today?
She looks beautiful as usual. That's every day's first dialogue is that for me. So though I'm a writer, I don't have any other options because she is beautiful. That's why I need to say truth.
That's so nice. I think all the husbands should learn this from you. Every day, no first dialogue, just go tell your wife you look very beautiful. But today we have a game here. So what you're going to do is, because you're a wonderful couple, you're going to answer for each other. So ma'am, you'll have to answer for your husband, you'll have to answer for your wife. So it's called Never Have I Ever. So you just have to tell me if you've done it or not. Simple, huh? Okay, so it's going to be ladies first. You can pick a card.
Gone late to work and blamed it on traffic. So I have to answer like he did that. Okay. Definitely yes. It's not only about traffic. It's like, you know, even if it is like he's works works and get late and all, he blames us, you know, like ನಂದು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಂದು ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಂದು ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. What will I do? That nature you have actually.
So the moment ma'am saw the question, she was calm. The moment I said you have to answer as your husband, she's like, definitely. And when energy got into her, so you tell us, do you think ma'am has ever done it?
No, because I never gave that chance to her because my driver is so punctual and she whenever he takes her out, he makes sure she reaches home proper at right time. Yeah.
So he's taking the credit for it also.
Actually, other thing is like usually guys get ready so soon, you know. It always comes on ladies, so they like always say I never give chance and.
So you only had to put on a jacket, like she had to do her hair, makeup, everything. Okay, now you have to pick a card, sir.
Had lice.
Have you ever had lice in your hair? So be honest, sir. You have to answer as your wife. Ma'am, you can't prompt and all. No, it's okay in childhood only. No problem.
No.
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 Very hygienic that way. Ma'am, do you think sir has ever had lice?
I never. I mean, I cannot ask. I mean, I cannot say yes. Also, if he's having in the childhood, no.
So cute. She just wants to protect her husband. So you're saying?
No.
Okay, so both of them are very clear that it's a no. But truly, it's very, very inspiring to see such a sweet couple, so supportive of each other's career. Lots to learn from you. Thank you so much for joining, Saima. I hope you win tonight.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.